Good morning. I'm walking on the Brookfield Farm trails and I just came across one of my favorite wildflowers, spotted jewelweed, so I thought I'd take a video to share. I know this plant grows in a variety of areas. I've found it in wet places, but also in dry places. I've heard that it grows near poison ivy because you can make a salve from the jewelweed plant itself. I'm not sure which parts that actually help against the itch and irritation of poison ivy. So it is interesting how plants grow together, and they show us that growing in community kind of helps each other. So these two plants growing in community, if you get into poison ivy, this plant is there to be a helper. So I'm going to try to zoom in really close, find a flower that the camera will focus on, hopefully. Oh, there's one right there. Let's see. Let's see if our focal point will shift. Come on, camera. Doesn't quite want to shift. So you can see. Maybe I'll try an alternate way to zoom in. It's a beautiful flower, and it has these seed pods that stick out. You can kind of see them. I wish it would zoom in a little bit better, but we'll do our best here. So this one down here, the seed pod, and it's getting fat. And usually when the pod has black showing inside of it, it means that the seeds are ripe. But one of my favorite parts of this plant is how it disperses its seeds. So I'm gonna show you, hopefully this seed is, this is a pretty fat pod, so the seeds might be ripe enough and ready to move, but I'm not sure. So let's see if they do their thing. Apply a little gentle pressure. Oh, it's not quite ready. All right, let's look for another one. I found another one earlier over here. And that's good. That's Mother Nature's way of making sure that the plants are, seeds are only spread when they're ready. So let's see, here's one right here. And it happens fast, so if it's gonna happen, keep an eye out. Whoa! Maybe you want to rewind and see that on the instant replay. Let's find another one and see. Oh, there's one down here. See if that's ready. Nice big fat one. You ready? So I'm going to add a little pressure. Imagine that it's a little animal coming by, and maybe they're foraging and it happens to get stuck between just a little pressure, and woo! They explode, they catapult. So there's a seed right there. And oh, camera doesn't seem to want to focus. Very, very tiny. And the curlicues are not left behind. Sometimes they're left behind on the plant, so you can see how the outside of the seed pod curls back after that explosion. It's so neat. So if you happen to have any jewelweed, I'm in Western Mass. If you're in New England and you have any jewelweed, or you have anything similar where you live, then this might be a fun plant to check out. See if you have. And it grows in this kind of shrubby habit. It is a perennial. It comes up every year, and it's an herbaceous perennial, so it doesn't have a woody stem. It has a stem that's going to die back with the whole plant while the roots overwinter. So there you go. There's spotted jewelweed, one of my favorites, and it's like little sparkles of sun sitting here among all the green on this nice September morning. So enjoy. Bye.